Guys, over 50 people have vanished from their normal lives, ditching families, careers, and even critical medical treatment to join a secretive religious compound in KwaMaphumulo, north of Durban. They call it Ikhaya Labafundi Baka Jehovah, but many are calling it something far more controversial, a cult. Hey everyone, this is your quick update on the biggest headlines in Mzansi. Here's what we need to know so far.
Ubaba uVusumuzi Sibiya kwaMaphumulo sihlele ekhala abafundi isizwe ke lesi sombuso kaNkuluNkulu isizwe lesi siphethwe ezulwini Exodus 19 verse 6 First Peter chapter 2 verse 9 ukhulunywa ngesizwe esingcwele so ke akwazeke ukuthi emhlabeni wonke kunabantu emhlabeni wonke abazelwe kabusha abasindisiwe abakholwa uJesu Kristu.
At the center is Vusumuzi Sibiya, a man who calls himself the messenger. His message, total separation from the world. No hospitals, no social life, no public services, just faith. Members live full-time isolated. They farm their own food and reject modern society entirely. But the real shock is what people are giving up to stay. One woman says she stopped taking her HIV medication, believing God told her she didn't need it anymore. Another, she walked away from her pharmacy degree, choosing faith over her future. And the children, no school, no formal education, just teachings controlled within the group. Sibiya doesn't deny the controversy. He leans into it. Being called a cult, he says it proves they are chosen. And as many more people disappear into this isolated community, one question is getting louder. Is this devotion or something far more dangerous? That's it for now, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.